Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to show review of LocalAgencyBox. Before jumping into the video, I wanna tell you that I have a bundle of bonuses for you which you can get absolutely for free. Let's see what's the bonus I am going to provide you. We have come on the bonus page. The number one bonus is Internet Business Startup Kit. In this bonus you will get step-by-step guide on how to start internet business so you can get success. The second bonus is Email Marketing Success. In this exclusive bonus you will get step-by-step guide for how to use emails for marketing and how to get success through email marketing. And the third bonus you will get is Traffic Generation. In this bonus you will get step-by-step guide for how to generate traffic for your business and how to use them. Trust, all these bonuses are very useful and valuable for everyone. So don't miss out these bonuses. So for getting these bonuses, keep watching the video to the last. In last of the video I will told to you how you can get these bonuses. So let's get started. LocalAgencyBox is a completely done for you marketing and branding solution in a box that allows anyone to quickly set up and scale an online digital marketing agency. LocalAgencyBox comes with 12 done for you marketing agency kits. I will talk about all 12 kits and also talk about front-end price of the LocalAgencyBox. And if you really got some value or some knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's see the quick review of sales page of LocalAgencyBox. Here you can see, activate your full-blown and ready-to-profit digital consultancy without the budget, marketing skills, or technical experience. Become a successful coach and marketing consultant overnight. Early users earning $500 to $2,500 for a few hours work. Let's see what will you see if you purchase it today. In LocalAgencyBox you will get 12 done for you agency marketing tips for 12 niches plus, agency accelerator training, drop servicing and agency arbitrage, Sky product group mentorship, successfully offer weekly internet business and client attraction trainings for 52 weeks. Now come to the kits section. Which kits you will get? You will get 1. Done for you video marketing agency kit. This kit comes with stunning ready-made video agency website, your residential proposal, highly optimized cold call email sequence, pimp to sell telemarketing scripts for videos, print-ready commercial graphics templates for video services, 4-5 Facebook ad creatives, 5 web banners and Google ads, 5 legal contract vetted by an attorney. 2. Done for you mobile app agency kit. This kit comes with 3. Done for you bot agency kit. This kit comes with stunning ready-made bot agency website, your residential proposal, highly optimized cold call email sequence, pimp to sell telemarketing scripts for selling bots, print-ready commercial graphics templates for bot creation service, 4-5 Facebook ads creative, 5 web banners and Google ads, 5 legal contract vetted by an attorney. 4. Done for you social media marketing agency kit. Stunning ready-made mobile app agency website, your residential proposal, highly optimized cold call email sequence, pimp to sell telemarketing scripts for mobile apps, print-ready commercial graphics templates for mobile app service, 4-5 Facebook ads creative, 5 web banners and Google ads, 5 legal contract vetted by an attorney. Like these, all the kits comes with some special features. Everything cannot be explained because the video will get too long, so let's quick overview of kits. Kit No. 5. Done for you FB Ads Business Agency Kit. 6. Done for you Web Design Business Agency Kit. 7. Done for you SEO Business Agency Kit. 8. Done for you Design Business Agency Kit. 9. Done for you Content Marketing Business Agency Kit. 10. Done for you Restaurant Business Agency Kit. 11. Done for you Copywriting Business Agency Kit. 12. Done for you, Virtual Tour Business Agency Kit. I think I'll have cleared all the things about kits, and all these kits will come with some special features. You can see that on sales page. Now come to price section. The front-end price of Local Agency Box is $37. This price is valid for 1 day of launching. After that, this price might be increased, so don't miss out this offer. Go to the link in description box and purchase it. And as I told you, that if you purchase it from the link given in the description box, then I will provide bonuses to you for free. Let's see how you can get these bonuses. The first step is go to the link in description box and purchase it, and take a screenshot of receipt. Take that screenshot and contact me on my Instagram with that screenshot. On Instagram, I will provide you all these bonuses for free. A link of my Instagram can be found in the description box. And the link for purchasing Local Agency Box can be found in the description box and in pinned comment. So go the link and purchase it, and also get free bonuses. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming review videos.